Hello guys, if you want to see my pre-Valentine's eye look guys, or look, keep on watching. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cherry from Cherry Beauty Step. How's everyone? I know this is February guys and love is in the air. It's February and I know everyone is excited about their dates, their coming dates, but I'm gonna do tutorials for today guys. I wanted to do actually 3 eye look guys, but I'm thinking it's like, oh my god, that's too much, and maybe in the future I will do that, but for today guys, I will do only one. Only one. I've been practicing it all day. Actually, I don't have work today because it's a snow day here in Colorado guys, so it's like, oh, okay, I'm gonna film it, and then yeah. So today guys, I'm just gonna show you the palette I'm gonna use, and then let's dig in later guys. So I will use the Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills guys. Norvina, this is the pro one. I think so. Yeah, so this is the first one that Norvina have, and let me show it to you guys, the palette, so you can see it has a huge mirror. And if you are watching my video before guys, I already showed this palette, but in case you missed that one, so I'm showing it again here guys. It's very colorful, like all the colors that you wanted. I mean, not all of it, but mostly colors that you wanted in a palette is there. And oh my gosh, the formula is, I love it. It's easy to blend guys. And because I want some sparkly, I have a Too Faced. It's a glitter guys, so oh my god, I'm not a fan of glitter guys, and I will try to use them, to embrace the things that you're not usually using it. So much for that. So much from, oh my god, I can't speak now guys, I'm sorry about that, but so much for that. What I'm gonna do is just focus on the color, put the camera on the color, and then I'm just gonna do the look here. And oh my god, I talk too much again guys, and hello to my curly hair. Oh my god, I tried it and it's like, it's a messy curly hair. So I'll be back guys. So I'm gonna proceed to my face, guys, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm going back to my eyes, put eyeliner and then mascara, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, we are done with our Valentine's Day makeup tutorials, guys, and I'm gonna try to do another one before Valentine's Day. So, what do you think, guys? I love glitter. I don't know I don't know if my camera will give justice on the glitters, guys, but I love the glitters. Like in person, it's like very bright and it's like perfect for your magical dates, guys. Dates. Date, I mean. So yeah. So thank you for watching, guys, and like and subscribe, guys. And I do have a Facebook page. I'm gonna try to link down below. It's Cherry Beauty Stuff, of course. So like and subscribe, guys. Thank you, and always remember,